Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Success Path, your channel for simple, fun, and easy English learning. If you're new here, I'm so happy to have you with us today. In today's lesson, we have a beginner-friendly English conversation between two people, Jane and Peter. They are meeting for the first time, introducing themselves, and talking about their countries, jobs, likes, dislikes, and daily lives. This lesson will help you learn how to introduce yourself, talk about where you're from, and share simple information in English. Make sure you listen carefully, repeat after them, and try to practice speaking along. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in real-life conversations. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any of our new English lessons every week. Alright, are you ready to begin? Let's start our conversation. Jane and Peter meeting for the first time.
Hello, excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh, no, it's not. Please have a seat.
Thank you. It's a bit crowded today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I think everyone came here for the coffee.
Probably. By the way, my name is Jane.
Nice to meet you, Jane. I'm Peter.
Nice to meet you too, Peter. Do you come here often?
Yes, I usually come here after work. What about you?
This is actually my first time here. I just moved to the city last month.
Oh, really? Where are you from?
I'm from Kenya, and I grew up in Nairobi.
That's nice. I've heard Nairobi is a beautiful city.
Yes, it is. The people are friendly, and the weather is warm most of the year. How about you? Where are you from, Peter?
I'm from Canada, from a small city near Toronto.
Oh, Canada. It's a cold country, right?
Yes, very cold in winter. Sometimes it snows for months.
Wow, I've never seen snow in real life.
Maybe one day you will. It's beautiful, but very cold.
So, what do you do, Peter?
I'm a graphic designer. I create logos, posters, and websites.
That sounds interesting. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I love being creative. I like designing things that make people happy. What about you, Jane? What do you do?
I'm an English teacher. I teach beginners, people who are learning English for the first time.
Oh, that's great. Your students must love you.
I hope so. I enjoy helping people speak English confidently.
That's a very useful skill. English connects people from all over the world.
Exactly. That's why I started teaching.
What do you like to do in your free time, Jane?
I love reading, cooking, and listening to music.
That's nice. What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music, something calm and peaceful. What about you?
I like pop and a little bit of jazz.
Oh, jazz. That's cool. Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar a little. Not very well, but I enjoy it.
That's wonderful. I've always wanted to learn the guitar.
Maybe I can teach you sometime.
That would be nice.
What's your favorite food, Jane?
I love pasta and roasted chicken. What about you?
I like pizza and sushi, but I also like trying new foods from different countries.
Me too. I love trying new dishes when I travel.
Oh, you travel a lot.
Not a lot, but I've visited Tanzania and Uganda.
That's great. I've only traveled to a few places, mostly in Europe.
Traveling helps you learn about people and cultures, right?
Yes, exactly. It opens your mind.
So, what do you like the most about your city?
I like the parks. They're big, green, and peaceful.
That sounds lovely. I like nature too.
What don't you like about your city?
Maybe the traffic. It's terrible in Nairobi.
Oh, yes. Traffic can be so stressful.
What about you, Peter? What don't you like?
The cold winter. It's too long and sometimes depressing.
I can imagine. I prefer warm weather.
What's a normal day like for you, Jane?
Well, I usually wake up at 6 a.m. I make breakfast, then I go to work by 8.
What time do you finish work?
Around 4 p.m. After that, I go home, cook dinner, and relax.
That's a nice routine. I usually start work at 9 a.m. I work from home.
Oh, that's convenient. You save time and money.
Yes, but sometimes it feels lonely. I miss talking to people face to face.
I understand. I feel the same when I work online. Do you have any dreams or goals, Peter?
Yes, I want to start my own design company one day.
Wow, that's amazing. You'll be your own boss.
That's the plan. And you, Jane, what's your dream?
I'd love to open a small language school and help more people learn English.
That's a beautiful dream. I'm sure you'll make it happen.
Thank you, Peter. I believe with hard work and faith, anything is possible.
Absolutely.
Well, it was so nice talking to you, Peter.
Same here, Jane. I really enjoyed our conversation.
Me too. Maybe we can meet again next week?
Sure, let's meet here again on Saturday afternoon.
Perfect. I'll see you then.
Great. Have a nice day, Jane.
You too, Peter. Take care.
Great job, everyone! You did an amazing job listening and learning with us today. In this lesson, you learned how to introduce yourself, talk about where you're from, and share your likes, dislikes, and daily life, just like Jane and Peter did in their conversation. Remember, practice makes progress. So try to repeat the conversation again, or even record yourself speaking. It's a great way to build your confidence in English. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to English Success Path, and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss a new English lesson every week. And don't forget to write a short introduction about yourself in the comments below. Tell us your name, where you're from, and something you like. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep walking your English success path. Bye for now.